Hey everyone, this is Colin Sasaki with Science Matters. I'm here in Littleton, Colorado in my basement, and thought I'd show everyone how to make some homemade hand sanitizer. It's actually really, really simple. What you need is 91% isopropyl alcohol, commonly known as rubbing alcohol. You also need some aloe vera. This is the gel that we'll primarily use. Really, really simple stuff, easy to find. Although right now it's a little difficult to find isopropyl alcohol, but perhaps you have some of this at home. Well, it's really simple, and according to the guidelines, what you need to be able to do is get a hand sanitizer that is or a gel that is 60% isopropyl alcohol at least, and that will kill the germs that you want to kill it. So the ratios that you're going to want to have is, in a measuring cup, put 1 cup of 91% isopropyl alcohol. There we go. And you pour it into a bowl, just like so. And then you're going to take about a half a cup of the aloe vera. And the other thing, that the instructions that I found actually said, go ahead and get some tea tree oil as well. And the reason why is because tea tree oil is a natural antibacterial. So it's kind of nice to have that as well. And you just go ahead and pour all of this in here, just like so. And I'm going to use my little spoon to kind of get it all mixed together. And then you go ahead and just kind of mix this together, and you're going to get a nice gloppy hand sanitizer, just a lot like the hand sanitizer that you make in you get in the bottles as well. And you just mix this together, and I'll come back to us as soon as I'm done getting this mixed together. So once you're done whisking everything together, you're going to have about 1.5 cups of hand sanitizer. I found my hand sanitizer was a little bit watery, so I think it'll depend a little bit on the aloe vera that you actually are able to purchase. But once you're done with that, use a funnel and take a little plastic bottle. A travel bottle is fine. The other choice you have is save and reuse your little mini hand sanitizer bottles and go ahead and bottle it. Make sure you label it. I also always put the dates of mine on here as well. This will make a 70% isopropyl alcohol, rubbing alcohol solution, which meets the guidelines for effective hand sanitizer. Be safe. Enjoy making your own hand sanitizer. Do remember, though, that washing your hands as frequently and often for 20 seconds is the best way to prevent spreading the COVID. But in a pinch, when you need to have something on the road, or you're just looking for something fun to do, here's a great project to do with your kids. Have a great time, be safe, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for other great ideas to do with your kids. Thanks.